Go in there and see what kind of burn it is.
We should go right underneath it.
Yeah? I don't know. I'm trying to find out. Did you see that? Holy smoke. Did you get that on film?
Yeah.